Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about function pointer in C++ programming. Function pointers are used to point to some function, and the function pointer stores the address of function, and we can call the function using the function pointer. And the function pointer is mainly used for event-driven application and the callbacks. Like in example, here we have one function called add, and then we can create one function pointer. So first we have the return type, then the function pointer, and then the parameter list, and we can assign function pointer one function. Like in this case we have assigned the function add. So the function pointer is pointing to that function add, and now we can use the function pointer and we can call the original add function, and also we can pass parameters through the function call. Like in this example program, we have one function called add, and the function takes two integer parameter and it adds those two numbers and returns the addition of those two numbers. And inside the main method we have created one function pointer which has the return type and then the pointer and then two parameters, and we have assigned the function pointer the function add. So the function pointer will point to that function add, and then we can use the function pointer and we can call the add function, and also we can pass parameters during the function call, and the function call will return the addition of those two parameters. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the output addition is 5. So this is the way we can create one function pointer which can point to one existing function, and then we can use the function pointer and we can call the existing function. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.